This portion of today's video is sponsored by Dr. Phone software by Wondershare. So guys, it happens many times with us that we forget the passcode of our iPhone, and sometimes our iPhone goes under iCloud lock. And guys, if we make wrong attempts guessing our password, then our iPhone gets disabled. And guys, this is a very much irritating situation. And guys, if you don't want to face any of these issues, then you can install the Dr. Phone software on your computer, and in the matter of 5 minutes, you will be free from this problem. Using this software is very much simple and anyone can do it by following the simple steps. And guys, I have given a link in the description to this paid software in case you are interested. So what's up guys, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGT Tech. Well guys, in this video we are having the latest updates regarding the launch date of the upcoming iPhones. Well guys, this information is provided by 9to5Mac, and according to them, this year there is going to be a delay in the launch of the iPhones. Well guys, we all are familiar regarding this pandemic, but also Apple is currently facing problems in terms of the high refresh rate, in terms of the battery capacity, and overall the time schedule for the production. So guys, according to MacTechora, Apple will launch a LTE iPhone 12 in the month of October, and in the month of November, Apple will launch the 5G variants. Well guys, if Apple launches a LTE version of the iPhone 12, then that will start around $649. And guys, some time ago we got the news by 9to5Mac that Apple will conduct their September event as usual, but the shipments will be delayed. And now 9to5Mac itself is saying that Apple will conduct an event in the later part of October, and the LTE variant of the iPhone 12 will be available after launch, but the 5G variants will be available around 2nd or 3rd week of November. So guys, if you are planning to buy the iPhone 12, then sadly you have to wait for additional 1 month, and if you are talking about a market like India, it will come after 3 weeks. So if Apple launches the 5G iPhones in the month of November, then those iPhones might come around December in India. And guys, now there are concrete evidences for the smaller iPhone 12. Well guys, in the third beta of iOS 14, there is a new feature called as zoomed icons. So guys, I am having an iPhone SE in which I have installed this third beta, and guys, I am getting a complete zoomed experience of the iOS 14. And guys, this gives us a clear idea that Apple is making the changes for the iPhone 12. Well guys, we all know that the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 is going to be very small, and this move by Apple kind of indirectly conveys us that a smaller iPhone is pretty much confirmed. And guys, there are so many people who are waiting for the iPhone 12 just for 5G. Well guys, first of all, you need to understand that there are three types of 5G: the low band 5G, mid band 5G, and the millimeter wave technology. And guys, next year Jio is going to be coming with 5G, but this will not be the millimeter wave technology. So guys, in short, the speeds will be kind of similar to a LTE version. So guys, if you are planning to buy the iPhone 11 or any of the 4G iPhones, you can of course go for them. So guys, this was all of the information which I wanted to provide in my today's video. And guys, I hope that this video was little bit helpful. And guys, if you are new to my channel, then definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.